Have you ever wondered why the Makar Sankranti is celebrated on the same date every year? Let's understand the scientific reason behind it. Makar Sankranti is celebrated on the 14th January every year. It is just because of the movement of the sun. On the 14th January, the sun moves towards the Capricorn or Makar Rashi zodiac sign. The second reason is that the sun moves towards the northern hemisphere or Uttarayan. Is really the sun moves towards the northern hemisphere? No. Apparently the sun moves from the earth is towards the Uttarayan or northern hemisphere. We all know that till now due to the winter season the sun is tropical of Capricorn. Due to that we get the shorter or colder days. But after the movement of the sun towards the northern hemisphere, we will get the warm and the long days. Due to the movement of the sun. Due to the movement of the sun. But why the Makar Sankranti is celebrated on the same date every year on 14th January or in 15th January in the leap year? There is festivals in India. Mostly we followed the lunar calendar for the Indian festival like the Diwali, Holi, etc. But for the Makar Sankranti, we follow the solar calendar because the Makar Sankranti is related to the movement of the sun. And there is the difference of the 11 days almost in the solar and the lunar calendar. In the lunar calendar, the festivals are celebrated because of the movement of the phases, depend on the moon phases. But in the solar calendar, mostly the dates will be the same of the festivals. India, the mostly festivals are celebrated because of the phases of the moon, and we follow the lunar calendar for the festivals. But for the Makar Sankranti, we follow the solar calendar. That's why in the solar calendar, the festivals will be on the same date every year, and in the lunar calendar, there can be the variation on the dates of the festival. There is a difference of the 11 days almost in the lunar and the solar calendar. Due to that, in the leap year, we will celebrate the Makar Sankranti on the 15th January. There is another story behind Makar Sankranti celebration. Let's understand. One story is about the goddess Sankranti and the demon Sanskar-asur. The goddess Sankranti killed the demon Sanskar-asur on the 14th of January. There is one also stories about the Bhishma. He started to leave his body for the mortality. There is one more story is about the harvesting of the sugarcane, rice and wheat. They will complete on this day. We also know this festival by the different names in the different regions. We also know the Makar Sankranti by the name of the Lohri that we celebrate on the 14th of January, one day before the Makar Sankranti in Haryana and Punjab. We also know it by the name of the Pongal, 4-day festival by the name of the Khichdi Parv, Northern Uttar Pradesh, etc.